Hi, welcome to a foreigner in the Philippines. We're in the city and we're gonna eat because we're hungry. We got chop suey there.
That's a good reason. So we have chop suey
and Mongo seafood.
Mongo.
Yeah, and it's baby's birthday.
It's baby's birthday.
Yeah.
And she's at home.
Yeah, it's baby's birthday. And we got the crispy pata.
Ooh. So,
We're gonna sing a happy birthday for baby. Sige, go.
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, beautiful baby. And she's very embarrassed.
Yeah. I'm waiting my ribs.
Who wants this? You? Come over. Come on, just take it to there.
Yeah, it's Mongo with seafood. That's seafoods.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, did you say grace?
Oh, sige na, baby. Imo man birthday. Ikay mag-ampo. Go. Yeah, amen.
That was a speed prayer.
Yeah.